It's 11:25 a.m. Tuesday morning, March 14th, 2023, aboard Via Rail train number 2, the Canadian, bound from Vancouver, British Columbia to Toronto, Canada. We are east of Blue River, British Columbia, in the Canadian Rockies. And soon we're going to be passing on this side Pyramid Creek Falls. It will come briefly into view on the east side of the tracks. This side resembles a partially collapsed rock staircase. We're in Skyline Dome car number 8501. On the Canadian National Railway. Next up will be Valemount, British Columbia. V-A-L-E-M-O-U-N-T, population 1,020. Located at the junction of the Rockies and the Caribou, Monashee, and Selkirk mountain ranges. Valemount is a small lumber town on a long stretch of water created by the huge Mica Dam, almost 100 kilometers to the south. Pyramid Creek Falls coming up. I believe that was Pyramid Creek Falls.
Yeah, I really believe it. Yeah, of course. I didn't get a very good one. So let's see. Oh.
We have two Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, LaGrange, Illinois / Diesel Division, General Motors Canada Limited, London, Ontario, Canada, F40 PH-2 diesel electric locomotives, number 6401, number 6442, Have a deadheading coach, the Imperial. Have a deadheading baggage car, number 8602. Deadheading coach, number 8106. Deadheading sleeping car, Hunter Manor. Baggage car, coach 8106. The Skyline Dome, number 8501. Sleeping car, Allen Manor. Sleeping car, Draper Manor, my sleeper. Open section, lower berth 01L. Sleeping car, Bell Manor. Sleeping car, Monk Manor. Dining car, Louise. Sleeping car, Chateau Cadillac. Dome observation car, Prince Albert Park. Bringing up the rear, sleeping car, Christie Manor as a buffer car. Why a buffer car? Because there is concern about the structural integrity of these stainless steel cars built by the Budd Company in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania in the mid-1950s. Departing Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada yesterday afternoon, we had 63 passengers in the sleeping cars, 37 in the coach. And when we reached Jasper, Alberta this afternoon, late this afternoon, looks like 24 passengers will be getting off this train. And then 8 will get off at Edmonton, Alberta, and looks like 4 passengers will get on at Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Now 11:31 a.m. Tuesday morning, March 14th, 2023. Via rail train number 2, the Canadian, bound from Vancouver to Toronto, Canada, over and out.